Angela, and I'm just back with a really quick process video today. And I'm going to use this sweater weather kit that I got from Scraptastic. And I hadn't used it because I was waiting for some good snow pictures from this winter, and it did not snow here. We actually got hardly any winter weather. I have this one picture, a selfie I took of myself in a new coat that I had gotten this year that I got to wear only a few times because it's just been so unseasonably warm. And yeah, we haven't had any ice, any snow, just a few cold days, and that's it. So I thought, well, I could either go back and find older snow pictures, which I know I will do eventually, but I decided to just go ahead and scrap this one winter weather picture just so I could play with this kit and break into it and not leave it sit, because I hate to just, not use something. So I thought I'd just dive in and do this. I might look and find, I do have some snow pictures from last year, so I might use that. And it goes quick because I use almost exclusively things from the sweater weather kit, and they have this big sticker sheet in the kit along with the pieces of vellum and some of those snow papers and that navy paper, and the background paper is a Tektürk paper that kind of looks like snowfall. So I just go ahead and I'm going with more of the navy colors because the fur in the hood is kind of a more of a grayish color, and then the scarf I have on is a bluish color. And then there are these greens also in the kit, which I thought would bring out the trees behind me. And so there are these like evergreen border strip. So I just cut it in two pieces, layer some on the top and some on the bottom. And I kind of put the picture up a little higher than I had originally wanted to. So I kind of changed my cluster, my embellishment cluster, to be down below in order to, make sure to balance it out. And I choose this one. I covered up the sentiment that was on there because I wanted that nice big green label, since I'm leaning a little bit more toward the green colors on this, but I still wanted some of that to bring some of that red in as a secondary color. And now I'm just kind of going through the sticker sheet, looking for things that kind of fit the more greens and, things that kind of fit not so much with Christmas or snow, but just winter and by itself. And one of the things that's on there is a banner. And so I want to put the banner along the bottom, and I want something to hang it from. So I'm trying to figure out here how I want the banner to swoop down there. And so I'm just drawing on the back of this paper, and then I will go ahead and cut it out once I'm happy with, the sweep of the paper there. So I just go ahead and cut that out. And then I'm going to affix the little banners hanging down from that, and that will put a nice big embellishment down there to the bottom to balance out my layout. And so I'm just taking the pieces from the sticker sheet and using some wax paper to help me evenly position them, because these labels are pretty sticky. So once I put them down, I know they're going to be, down for good. So I go ahead and I use a little bit of glue stick to put down my banner. And then now I'm just putting the individual banner pieces and just evenly spacing them. And I'm really liking this so far, except that I want to do a little bit more clustering, and I want to add a little more dimension to the layout. So first I grab these little round snowflake stickers, and I'm using them kind of like enamel dots to sprinkle on my layout. And then I was trying to think of what else I could use to cluster on here and to add dimension. So I pull out these enamel dots first of all, and I put one in the middle of each of the snowflakes. And I just use the green and the kind of red color on there. And then I go to this little cut apart sheet. I think these were supposed to be like little flags or something that or tabs that you turn over, but I'm just cutting them out. And I'm going to use those to do a little bit of extra layering. So I'm pulling out sentiments that I think will work. And then I'm going to layer those on top the banners. So I'm just cutting them down pretty small. I'm going to layer 2 of them, put a couple staples in there. And then that one says Burr, and it has just some snowflakes. And I think one says like cold hands, warm heart, and then like cozy and warm, and it has just, you know, winter sentiments on there. There's another one that I'm just kind of stapling together. And then I want to staple one more item on that other piece. So I'm using the little antlers. And so to give some dimension, I'm going to put each of those up on foam tape, and that helps too because it does have staples on there, and that makes it want to kind of sit up from the paper anyway. So the foam tape just helps with that. And that just looks really cute, just layered on those 3 center banners. And then I was really liking that, but I wanted to bring a little touch of metallic in there too. And so I go and I get my silver dazzle stickers. I'm looking through the winter ones and looking through some of the border strips and stuff, and I find this one that I think is called Snowbird. And it has some little tiny snowflakes on it. And so I sprinkle a few of those just to bring some more metallic colors into the layout. And then there's also a little snowflake border strip. So I take a piece of that and put it along the bottom of my photo. And then I take the balance of it and I put it up along the top portion of my photo. And that just brings a little touch of metallic in there and reiterates the snowflake theme. And then that is my finished layout. So like I said, it went together super quick because I was using a kit. The only thing not from the kit were the enamel dots and the dazzle stickers. And so there you see all the snowflakes, the little tree border, enamel dots, the little banner. And it just came out looking really cute. So I was glad I was able to dip into this kit, you know, even though we really haven't had much winter weather here in Oregon. So that is my layout. And if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know down below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.